Question number 1. Which of the following is true about deposition of hard substances in plant cell wall? Let's read our choices, then we discuss the question. The first choice is decrease strength, B, affect permeability, C, it has no effect on support, D, it only occurs in roots. What about the deposition in the plant cell? The deposition of the plant cell has many substances which can divide the living organism, the cell of the plant, into 3 main types. The first one is impermeable, the second one is semi-permeable, and the third one is permeable. The impermeable is how the cell protects itself and cannot permit anything to enter or leave the cell. The semi-permeable has a feature, means selective permeability. Selective permeability, that the cell selects some substances to enter or left the cell. Permeable, it is the feature which causes the cell wall to permit all the substances to enter the cell. It decreases the strength? No. The substances which deposit on the cell, it will cause its strength. Number B, it affects permeability. Yes, it affects permeability. Let's go to another one. It has effect on support. Because of this deposition, it may be support the living cell. It only occurs in roots. No, it's not found in roots, because if it found in root, it will cause the impermeable to the root. It prevents substances which enter or left the cell. Let's go to the answer. The answer, it affects permeability that cause permeable, semi-permeable, or impermeable. Let's go to another question. The question number 2 is, say, what substances help to prevent water loss from plant cell? Prevent water loss means no water loss, no evaporation. What is caused? Number A, chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is a substance which collects the sunlight and cause photosynthesis process by collect the sunlight. Number B, lignin. Lignin is a substance which told about it in the deposition of the cell. C, cell wall. Cell wall, it is a wall which found in the plant cell only. Vacuoles, it is a stored house inside the cell. Let's go to the answer. What is the answer? It is lignin. Yes, lignin is prevent the loss of the cell water. The cell water is very important for the cell because the plant is exposed to the sunlight for 24 hours, no, at the daylight only. Yes, the answer is B, lignin, to prevent the loss of water. Number 3. Number 3 speak about the primary function of the skeleton in the animals. Skeleton in animals, it support, give it shape, and make many function as movement. Let's go to read the choices. Number A, to produce antibodies, skeleton, maybe. B, to store energy for later use. No, I don't think so. Number C, to provide the support to muscle attachment and facilitate movement. Yes, that's the skeleton. But after reading the choice, we will return back to the question to read it again. Number D, to regulate body temperature. It's not from the skeleton. Let's see what is the answer. The answer, to provide support for muscle attachment and facilitate movement. That's the skeleton. Support the living organism and facilitate their movement by attaching with the muscles. the musculoskeletal system which cause the movement of the living organism body. Let's go to another question. Number 4. Which type of movement is response of plant part to light, humidity, and gravity? Wow, it is the response. Response means how the plant sense. We speak about the plant sense, that means let's read the choices first, then go to the answer. Number A, cytoplasmic movement. Cytoplasmic movement, go to the sense? No. B, tropism. Tropism is the sense of the plant. Not yet. Pulling movement. Number C. D, sleeping movement. Sleeping movement, it is an movement. No. I try to find how the plant expose and respond to the plant part of light, humidity, and gravity. So the answer must be B, tropism. Tropism is the sense of the plant to make its function. Sense to go toward the light, to go toward the humidity, to go toward the gravity. There are many types of toward, to go toward it or go away from it. Positive tropism and negative tropism, there are two types. The parts of the plant which go to the light is the green parts to make the photosynthesis process. But humidity, it is not a green parts. There are the parts inside the soil to find water. The gravity, that's caused by the soil. Another type of the parts inside the soil. I mean roots. Roots go to gravity, but the negative one go away from gravity is the green parts. Away from gravity to go to the light. Let's go to the answer to check the answer. To check the answer, it means which type of movement is the response of the plant part to light, humidity, and gravity is tropism, with positive one and negative type. Let's go to another question. 5. Speak about the adrenaline. Wow, adrenaline is what adrenaline? It is fairness. Adrenaline for happiness. Adrenaline for accelerating the blood beat, the heartbeat. Adrenaline, that means respiration. Increase the rate of respiration. There are many types of adrenaline, but we must read the question well to find the answer. Let's go. Adrenaline, number A, stimulate the body perform activity needed during emergency. Yes, adrenaline for the emergency, but we must read the all choice to get the right answer. Number B, stimulate the liver to convert glucose to glycogen. What? Storage? It's not real. It's not the time for storage. It's the time for feeling, the time for surprise, adrenaline. Let's go to C. Is responsible for the appearance of secondary sexual characters. No, that's not adrenaline. Secondary sex characters will be disappear in the fairness. Let's go D. Increase the resistance of the body to infection and the microbes. Resistance for microbes, it's not its time. Let's go to answer this question. It must stimulate the activity needed during emergency. Increase the heartbeat, increase the rate of respiration, increase the change of energy from glycogen to glucose to be in emergency situation. Let's go to 6. Question number 6. How does glucagon affect liver glycogen? What are the glucagon? Glucagon is a hormone, has a reversible effect of insulin. What insulin? What glucagon? Where they secrete from? Pancreas. Let's read it. We must read the question well to find the answer, the right answer. Let's go. Number A, it stimulates the conversion of glucose to glycogen. 2B, it stimulates the conversion of glycogen to glucose. Okay, that's no difference between them, except the glucose convert to glycogen, glycogen convert to glucose. We must read well. C, it inhibits the conversion of glycogen to glucose. Now, not stimulation, it is inhibits. Inhibits mean no action. D, it has no effect on liver glycogen. What? No. Insulin and glycogen, they are effect in glucose and the glycogen of the liver. Let's go to the answer. The answer, it stimulates the conversion of glycogen to glucose. Means I need more energy. Means I need more stored energy. It means I go to use the muscles. I go to use the glycogen, the stored one. It means maybe I am fasting. I have no food. Let's go to another question, 7. Another hormones. Yes, I like hormones. Which hormone is primary response for the relaxation of pelvic muscles at the end of pregnancy? Wow, we go to delivery. Deliver a baby. Deliver a baby needs more than hormones. One of them is affected in the pelvic muscles. Where are the pelvic muscles? The pelvic muscles at the end of the abdomen. Why we need the pelvic muscles? The pelvic muscles is permit the baby to go out of the body of the mother. That means we need many hormones. One of them is very useful in delivery. Let's read and suggest what it is. A, estrogen. B, androsterone. C, relaxin. Are the mother need a relax? No, not relax. Relaxin is the name of the hormone. D, testosterone. No testosterone here in the deliver. Let's go to the answer. The answer is relaxin. Relaxin hormone is do a specific function to accelerate the delivery by moving some calcium precipitation from the pelvic muscles away from these parts of the body to make it as a cartilage, to permit the baby to deliver, to more relax to these muscles, and the baby will go out, deliver. So the answer is relaxin. Let's read the question again to make it in our mind. Which hormone is primarily responsible for the relaxation of pelvic muscles at the end of pregnancy? Yes, relaxin hormone to facilitate the delivery. Let's go to question 8. Question 8, which of the following distinguish the reproduction of poultry fish from rabbit reproduction? It's a very big difference. Where the fish in the water. How the fish reproduce? By laying eggs in the water. What are the fish? The fish is some group of living organisms which live in water. And the other, rabbit. Rabbit reproduction. Rabbit is a mammal which can incubate the baby for a long time inside its body, maybe 3 months, I don't know, maybe less than 3 months. Let's read the choices. Number A, site of embryo development, site of embryo development, ovary. B, types of division that forms gametes. Types of division that form gametes, it must be meiotic division. In all of the living organisms, meiotic division formed gamete with a half number of chromosomes. C, ova are smaller in size. Ova is only one cell, small in size in all the living organisms except the bird eggs, is larger inside. Thank God for that. A large eggs, you can eat it. No, all living organisms have ova with a small size in cell. D, variation in genetic trait. Let's go to the answer. Which of the following distinguish the reproduction of poultry fish and rabbit reproduction? Yes, site of embryo development. Yes, that means the fish cannot keep the offspring inside their body unless many times. But rabbit reproduction, rabbit can keep the babies inside her body in the uterus for many days, for many months. Thanks. Let's go to 9. 9. A baby again. Yes, I like babies. Let's go. Notice this figure that illustrates a human embryo inside the uterus. Yes, human embryo inside the uterus of the mother. Identify the structure X, Y, Z. Then conclude. We must study that the baby has many layers surrounding it to protect it from the surrounding environment. In which of the embryo development stages the structure X will separate from the uterine wall? Oh, we have a question in this stage at relaxin hormone. When they developed to separate from the uterine walls. When? Okay, we have 2 parts of the question here. In which is the embryo development stage the structure X? No, I must identify the structure first, then I will make a decision when the X separate from the uterine. The X separate from the uterine at the 3rd month of the 3rd stage. 3 times 3 is 9. Delivery? Yes? I don't know. Let's read. B, the 3rd month of the 2nd stage. 3 times 2, 6 is the month number 6. Maybe the 2nd month of the 3rd stage. 3, 6, and 2, 8. No. D, the 2nd month of the 2nd stage. 2nd month of the 2nd stage. 3, 2, 5 months. No. Let's go to the answer. It will deliver at the 3rd month of the 3rd stage. Deliver after 9 months. 9 months, the well-developed embryo will go out. 9 months. 3 times 3 equals 9.